we can keep an eye on our hard drive space available as we're recording this video that we think we're recording. Hello, 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 up here somewhere. Oh, there we go, there we go. So I wonder if the video is seeing that I am going up here to access my taskbar to get the video recorder controller panel. There it is again. Oh, we have the video controller panel. So this software is called Camtasia Studio, and it gives you the ability to record your screen. All right, I found this interesting image last night. These little puppies. Been in the process of upgrading this old computer and installing a graphics card that will enable HDMI output and also has DVI output as well as your traditional VGA output on the new card. Had to install drivers from AMD. It's called Catalyst. Had to install the driver for the XFX video card. We installed the FXX1 from AMD. It's the Radeon 5450. Very, very, very simple entry-level graphics card for about 20 bucks after our $10 mail-in rebate. We got it from Tiger Direct for $29.99 minus a $10 mail-in rebate. And we also installed the Ultra LSP 550. It's a 550 watt ATX power supply, which was a fantastic deal from Tiger Direct for $34.99 minus a $10 mail-in rebate. We got that for $24.99 after the rebate. It takes a few weeks to get the rebate. I think it was 8 to 10 weeks for the rebate to get back a $10 American Express preloaded debit card. And we got 4 6-foot HDMI cables for $9.99. We got the 4-pack for $9.99. So that's $2.50 for one 6-foot HDMI cable. If you go to your typical mass retailer, you'll pay about $10 a piece in the 2-pack quantity. So you're paying 20 bucks for 2 of them in the 6-foot at your typical retail store. Now I was just showing you the driver that came with the video card that enables the 2-screen connection and basically allows both screens to be one big screen. It was a little bit challenging at first to get that set up, but I quickly looked around in the driver controls and got it set to where it seems to be working properly. I'm going to close out the puppies here, even though they're as cute as heck. Show you. This is the free version. It's a nifty toolbar. Everybody says, "Oh, I like my Apple docking bar." Well, anybody can have that on just about any computer. So this is in Windows 7. I'm running Windows 7 Ultimate, and I'm going to pull up, keep track of our show. This is the one reason why you want a faster processor, faster hard drive. Probably the processor mainly, more memory, is trying to multitask.
Radio ARC Premium.
Keyboard.
Get all the features of
research
on
2014 PCs.
Visit our membership.
Alright, the case I wanted to look at was the Phanteks Enthoo Primo. I heard good things about this case, so I was thinking about using it for just a custom build. I think I would paint the inside of this case white, maybe, or chrome. The other case on the list that I was considering using for custom builds was the NZXT Phantom P530. I like this case. See, there was another one that really got my... Okay, that was straight from NZXT themselves. Okay, the other one I wanted to look at was the Fractal Midi R2 and the BitFenix Ronin.
Hello, my name is Haley Thorman, and I am brand manager here at Fractal Design. Today I would like to introduce to you the ARC Midi R2, our newest model in the ARC series of airflow cases. The ARC Midi R2 computer case is developed with high-performance computer systems in mind. Our new design maximizes airflow throughout the case and keeps even the most demanding systems at cool temperatures. The ARC Midi R2 is designed to house even the thickest of radiators in the top and front panel without extensive modifications. A water cooling enthusiast's dream. Let's have a closer look. Overall, the case promotes a minimalistic and sleek look with thick, sturdy metal mesh on the top and front of the case. It also promotes a cleaner look while the logo has moved from the top to the bottom of the case and embedded within the mesh part. The front mesh filter is easy to open and therefore clean. Seeing as there are no fans attached, you can run under water or clean as you wish. We also have a second filter in the bottom of the case that can be easily removed and spans the length of the PSU. On the top, the ARC Midi R2 features a new I/O panel layout. We have the reset button, the in and out ports, we have the power LED, as well as the activity LED, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a 3-speed integrated fan controller. The ARC Midi R2 comes standard with a Windows side panel. If we open up the side panel here, we can take a look at the new internal layout and functionality.
I like
The
that.
HDD cables are split into 2, and both are rotatable and removable. You can rotate the top HDD cage for increased airflow or remove it completely to accommodate longer graphics cards. The bottom cage can be repositioned further into the case to accommodate a radiator in the front of the case. If all cages are removed, you have the option of mounting 2 SSDs behind the motherboard plate. One of the main highlights of this case is its extensive support for water cooling. Usually you'd find such configurations in a full tower case, however here we have it in a mid-size case.
Cool.
If you were to remove or reposition the 2 hard drive cages, you can fit a thick 240 radiator in the front. As well in the top, you can fit a 240 thick radiator in the top mount. The holes that allow you to mount the radiator in the top are off-center on the case in order to not interfere with the mounting of your motherboard or memory. The ARC Midi R2 has 7 fan positions, 3 on the top, 2 in the front, 1 in the bottom, 1 in the rear. All that support 120mm or 140mm fans. 3 Silent Series R2 140mm fans are included with your purchase. As for cable management, you have increased space on the side of the case in order to keep your cables tight and tight. As all of our products, the chassis has been designed and engineered at our Swedish headquarters.
Cool.
Here you have it, the ARC Midi R2 from Fractal Design. Thank you for watching.
I am going to highlight that. And I want to see the BitFenix Ronin.
Guys, welcome back to BitFenix. My name is Jackson. Today we're going to take a look at our very new case. We've been teasing it on Facebook and we've shown it at Computex. This is Ronin. Let's check it out. so let's take you through the exterior of the case. We've got our signature soft touch coating on the front and top panel. The front panel and the top panel are also perforated, so you have maximized airflow. You got your brushed aluminum logo here, 3 5¼ bays, and on the sides here and the top, we've got micro mesh, so we've got additional airflow ventilation on the sides. On the top panel, you also have your 2 USB 2.0 and 2 USB 3.0. Moving over to the side, we've got a pretty large window, and we've got sort of a weird texture here, which I'll show you in a little bit. Alright, so let's first remove the side window. Inside, we got the microtexture stealth cover here. That's easily removable. There's actually 3 tabs on the back of this that attaches to this metal support bar. If you're not interested in this microtexture stealth cover, you can actually remove these support bars. But the purpose of this is actually to cover up all your hard drives, your optical drives, and any ISO cables that are sticking out. So you have a easy to set up, clean cable system. We have a flex cage, removable hard drive cage here. The hard drive sleds are also tool-free. We've got these pull-outs instead of flexible plastic, so it's easier to install, and you've got rubber vibration dampening materials on the side of it, so easy to install your hard drives. Toolless 5¼ base. You've got your standard 7 PCI slots for ATX motherboards, 1 fan on the rear. We've got another fan in the front, 2 fan locations on the top for radiators, and 1 fan location on the bottom right beside the power supply. Alright, so we've got a fully loaded system inside the Ronin. Before I go on, this is a magnetic dust filter that attaches to the bottom of the case. This is for your power supply and your bottom mounted 120mm fan. On the front, you'll also have filtered intakes as well. Now, as you can see, the stealth cover actually covers up most of the hard drives, or all of it, and the 5.25-inch optical base. Again, this is removable, so if you have anything longer than a GTX 680, you've got all that space. We've got a top-mounted EKXT 240 on the top. This is 47mm thick, so your all-in-one should fit no problem. We're currently using tall RAM heat sinks, so even this will fit with the radiator installed. On the top panel, we've got room for your fans as well, so even if you've got no fans on the bottom, you've got full on the top. If you have slimmer radiators, you can also throw them in the top as well. The back fan can be installed simultaneously with the top-mounted radiator, and so this is pretty much what it looks like with the full system. Well guys, that was Ronin. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other feedback or suggestions, hit us up on Facebook or send us an email. And we look forward to seeing you soon.
Alright, well, that's a rundown of the top 4 cases that I've been considering building custom PCs with. Thanks for watching. It's January the 18th, 2014 from Proven PCS.